only to find out ukuthi the young girl was sleeping with their boyfriends. I'm not saying ba right to sleep with umntwana or underage or number 15, 16, but she would initiate the contact. Umntwana then will cry rape, so that bazohlukana no mamake, especially if the step father or the uncle ethandana no mamake at that point didn't want to pursue the relationship. No problem. Iqhubeke into mamake would take action what protecting her child as much as she can. Iqhubeke the relationship. One day then she would meet then this beautiful man who would then marry her and give her an incredible life. You must know she's very independent and successful, but the husband was even much more successful than her, extremely rich. Baphile leyo mpilo leyo kube mnandi, and as they were dating, and the reason that made her marry this man is because ufila ukuthi uguy bekathanda umntwana wakhe. I mean, umntwana bekazoyenza ama-exa, for example, let's say uncle then mabangasengashadi athengele umama let's say icathulo, she'd go, Daddy, why didn't you buy me the same shoes? Or if uncle buys mama a flowers, he has to buy the daughter flowers as well. If I'm taking a little gift, he has to buy the same gifts for the daughter as well.